great to be in Madrid and to be on this event.
I'm very impressed from the location, from the city.
I think they did a really, really good job. It was very, very impressive, for sure.
The creator of the Baumit Life Challenge. He is the owner representative of SIH, Smith Industry Holding, and managing director of Baumit, Beteiligung. Did I say it right?
Yes, you did it perfect.
So,
welcome on stage,
Mr.
Robert
Smith!
Ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends of Baumit, I am very, very happy that so many Baumit customers, Baumit fans, Baumit employees, managers came from all over Europe here to Madrid.
Fernando Arrabe.
First category, Structure Enlightens Design.
The winner is Brandskontor, Germany.
Einen herzlichen Dank an Jury, an alle, die unser Projekt so schön gefunden haben. Wir freuen uns, das ist eine Riesenehre für uns.
This is our second category, Historical Renovation.
The winner is the Reformed Church on Volkvils Alley in Romania.
Thermal Renovation, our third category. Now we want to know who's the winner, of course.
Residence, Josefstadt, Hammerling Park.
Austria!
The architects, Marazzi Paul.
You feel like we can head over to the category non-residential?
The winner is Architecti, Szebo Lici, Tomasz Szebo, Igor Lici, Emanuel Zaplukai.
Thank the architects who made the great job. I would like to thank to the photographer who made great pictures of it.
Your favorite category is single-family houses.
The winner is Architect Berger Katzota Architects. Congratulations!
Congratulations!
The house A. For the big business, multi-residential.
Bellamy Apartments.
Congratulations!
Congratulations, Pennsylvania!
The Baumit Life Award goes to
A kindergarten in Witwer.
Because I'm having a good time. Having a good time.
Shooting star, leaping through the sky like a tiger, defying the laws of gravity.
Really liked it, especially at the end with all the effects on the wall. It was very impressive.
So we are very happy that the Baumit Life Challenge will be organized in 2 years in Slovakia.
A good event for Baumit at the end of the day.
Everything is Architecture.